That same shit that they want, they try to cover up. That's why they don't want you to go within and tap into that. That's why they force fed this religion for division, to divide us and confuse you so that you power their system, other than you keeping your power for yourself and rising up. Ain't nobody coming to save you. Ain't nobody coming to save you. You have to save yourself. They ain't do nothing but weaken our people and turn our people to cowards. That's a coward act. Waiting on somebody to fucking come forgive you of your sins, or come save you out of the reality that you created for yourself. Come on, man, that's a coward move. Come on, man, you gotta save your fucking self. We gods. We don't depend on nobody but ourselves. We don't depend on nobody. Come on, man. Rise up. Face reality. Face your fears. Pick yourself up. Elevate yourself. Spread love. Uplift one another. That's what I'm speaking over here. If you got a problem with that, I don't know what to tell you just because of your belief system. Limited beliefs. You block out everything. Everything that don't align with what your pastor teach you. What your pastor told you. Go run in that church, that low vibrational, that shit is so hypocritical. Y'all ain't find that shit out yet? Damn, for all the church going people, y'all ain't find that out yet? Many times y'all ain't read that Bible, y'all still ain't see that shit yet? That's why I say they did a number on our people. They did a number on our people. If people still can't see it? Damn. They did a number. But peace be with them. I still love them. I'ma still spread this love. I mean, she was respectful. I respect that. You know, unlike some of the other ones come in here. But like shit, you gotta save yourself. Fuck, man. You gotta pick yourself up. Come on, man. Depending on other people, cause like at the end of the day, like shit, if you don't embody that power, shit, fuck, ain't nobody gonna do it for you but you. That's why certain things happen in our lives to sit our ass down so we could build ourselves up. We learn from that shit. They don't question nothing. That's the thing. They don't question nothing. And that's one of the things, that's the reason why, I always say this, that's the reason why they told them not to question God. Because they know God is gonna answer. That's why they pointed them outside their show. It pointed them outside and then told them don't question. See what I'm saying?